the Spyderco Sage5 in Rex 121. Oh yeah. They say this is the hardest knife steel on planet Earth. And my client, he's concerned as to whether or not my CBN wheels can even sharpen this knife. Well, guess what? We're about to find out. There it is. All right, here goes nothing. Gonna go really light and slow and take our time and get this perfect. Oh boy, this is stressful. I like to use the reflection from the lights to see where I'm contacting, but with the camera lights, I'm not getting such a clear picture as I'm used to on the most important knife of my career. What's more important, the perfect knife or the perfect video, right? So I'm trying to find a middle ground. This side I'm good on. Good reflection, I can see what I'm doing. Oh yeah. 104. That's friggin' awesome. Holy cow, am I tired. I already know. I'm not stupid. I know what you're wondering. Did Corey kiss this flipper? What is this? A flipper plunge line, flipper choil? I don't even know what you call it, but this thing hanging down right here, the tonsils. You're probably wondering if I kissed it with the Tormek wheel. Well, if you want to know, stick around till the end. You'll see some close-up high-res photos. 104 on the edge on up. Oh, I'm so happy. I told my client my goal's 100 or lower, so I'm gonna wake up early tomorrow and see if I can squeeze out 4 more grams. I can do it. I can do it. Holy cow. If you're a professional sharpener, well, I just set the bar. Rex 121, 104. Let's see what you guys got. And if you're a hobbyist, if you're getting into sharpening, let this video be a warning. this stuff is hard. CBN won today, but boy, Rex 121 put up a good, strong fight. I haven't spent this long on a pocket knife in a long time, and I am happy to fold this up and put it down and see you guys on the Sharpeners Discord. Link below. See ya.